Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying a twist out in my hair. So if you want to see how that goes, just keep on watching. So the products I will be using today is the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner and their twisting soufflé from the same line. I will be using a Denman brush to smooth my hair before I twist it. You can use any other brush you like. I just think this smooths your hair the best. And to keep my hair out of the way as I'm twisting, I do have some clips and a hair tie. Here is what my hair is looking like. This is hair from my last video if you want to check that out, but I'm going to go ahead and wash it and then we can get started. Okay, I just washed my hair out. Here's what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go in with their leave-in conditioner and go from there. I also wanted to let you guys know I will be working on damp hair. I do not want my hair soaking wet because it will take forever to dry. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put my hair in sections to work on. I'm gonna get like medium-sized section. And clip that up. Now I'm going to go in with the twisting soufflé. It's really thick, so I'm going to go in with like that much at first. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Denman brush and brush it through my hair. Now I'm gonna split this section and put this away for now. And I'm gonna work on this one. Now I'm gonna split this into two again and twist it. You wanna twist tight at the roots. And then at the end, you want to coil it. Okay, here's what the first one's looking like. Now I'm going to get that section I put away. I'm going to brush that through. And I'm gonna split this into two again. And twist tight at the roots again. You want to pull it as you twist. And coil the ends. Here's what my other twist is looking like. Okay guys, now that you see how I'm twisting my hair up, I just jumped forward and I'm on my last twist right now. I'm doing the same thing I was doing earlier, coiling the ends. Okay guys, so I just finished twisting my hair. I have about 16 twists in my hair. I'm just gonna let it dry overnight and then we'll come back in the morning and see if it's dry. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I just slept with the bonnet on. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so they're really shrunken. They have great definition though. I'm just gonna put some oil on my hands. I'm using sunflower oil. And now I'm just gonna go and separate them. Just slowly pull them apart. Okay, so here's what it's looking like after I separated them. Now I'm just gonna go through again with some more of my oil, and I'm gonna separate them carefully even more. So I'm gonna actually tie this up just to see if I can give it the shape I want. Okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna put on some mousse, just like a tiny bit, just to fluff it. And then I'm just gonna put this on and pull the back down just to flatten it out. And I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes and then we'll come back and see how it looks. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. Let's just shake this out. I just wanted to show you guys I got pretty great definition from these products, so I really do recommend them. Alright guys, and this is the final result of the twist out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.